Welcome to my favorite park. This is Shevlin Park, 981 acres back into the Deschutes National Forest on one side and the west side of Bend on the other. There's rivers, trails, place to take your dog, picnic. This is my favorite park. Come check it out. Here we are at Riverbend Dog Park, our final stop of the day. This is one of my favorite dog parks in town. I also like to put in my stand-up paddleboard and throw a ball for the dog. Let's go check it out. Thank you for joining us on our tour today. Like and subscribe for more videos of Central Oregon and get ready to make your move.